If you are using the X application and want to sync your smartphone contacts to it, you can do so. By doing this, you'll receive suggestions based on those contacts, and your friends can also see your suggestions. In this video, we'll explain how to sync your contacts to the X application. To begin, open the X application. Above, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. When you click on your profile photo, you'll see Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Support. Next, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. After that, you'll see Privacy and Safety. Click on Privacy and Safety. Once you're there, you'll see Discoverability and Contacts. Click on Discoverability and Contacts. Here, you'll find the option Sync Address Book Contacts. Sometimes, this option may be turned off. If you want to enable it, simply turn it on. After that, your contacts will be synced with the X application. You'll then receive suggestions based on your contacts, and sometimes, you'll receive suggestions from your friends as well. This is how you can easily sync your contacts to the X application. We hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.